or direct farming. Suppose, for example, you know Lay's, right? Lay's chips, Lay's chips. You know that, right? Which is the parent company of Lay's? Yes, PepsiCo. PepsiCo is the parent company of the Lay's, right? So PepsiCo actually developed one potato variety, FC5. This is the potato variety which have the almost round, which produces almost round, or the basically the globule kind of potato with a big size potato, and it have certain chemical constituent, I mean the good chemical constituent, which makes it crunchy and easy to make the this chip slices. It becomes easy, right? And that's why you find like the chips of the Lay's is very, I mean the crunchy as well as that thing. So because of the variety they developed, this company has developed this variety which produces such kind of potato. However, this PepsiCo company themselves cannot produce it. They need land for it. They don't have that much land, but the Lay's eater are so high that they need to produce more potato. So what the PepsiCo company did, they had one agreement, like he said, a contract with the farmers of Punjab. Farmers, Punjab and Gujarat farmers, they had one agreement, contract here, that they will provide you seeds. They will provide the farmer seeds, credit, technology, skill, training, and all the things, pesticide, fertilizer, everything they will provide. But the condition is that they have to sell this product only to them. Only to them. You cannot sell to the other market or other people. So that is the contract agreement. So they are obligated to sell them, and they have the right to get that thing. Okay, and they are obligated to purchase that. So here it is very beneficial for the farmers also and the company also. From the farmer point of view, the benefit is that they have now assured price of potato. Whether the price is fluctuating or not doesn't matter. Whatever you have signed in the contract, let's say per kg you have signed 50 rupees, you will get 50 rupees. Even if the price of potato has come down to 30 rupees, 20 rupees, doesn't matter. You have